Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm back with some really good news for you all. We are launching officially the main website for sciencestadium.com, and we are also launching a 40-day roadmap for both A2 physics and A2 chemistry for everyone around the world, and it is completely free. I'm not just going to give you directions of what to do, but also all the content you need to ace your A2 level physics and chemistry exam. And we have also made some of our premium resources from A2 Physics course pack free onto the website for everyone to use. And to be able to access it, all you need to do is go to the website, sign up, and start learning from the roadmap. That is all you need to do, and you will have every single resource available to you for free. So if you just head onto the website, you will see everything over here. This is the landing page. So the website is sciencesteam.com. You will see that in the description. I'll also attach it in the comment section for your convenience. And yeah, let's take a run through everything, right? Great. So what do you have? You can this was the previous thing. You can start learning directly from the video content library. But what is special today is and what we have been working on is they do physics in 40 days or they do chemistry in 40 days, whichever you wanna. I mean, if both, then you need both. But yeah, you just click on one and you will be prompted to sign in, right? And all you have to do is put in the details and create an account. Once you have created the account, you'll get a confirmation mail. And once you click on that mail, you will get redirected to the website and you'll have your account and you can start learning for free, right? Great. So once you have signed in, this is what it's going to look like. You will be signed into your account and you just click on the roadmap and you have everything. Okay. So let's go step by step every single feature that we have added. Okay, great. Let me run you through everything. So yeah, at the top you have the A2 physics in 45 days. This number depends on when you start the roadmap. So let's say you started on 19th. It shows A2 physics in 52 days. If you start your start date at, let's say, today, which is 28th, then great. You have 43 days left. And over here it shows the number of days left. So in case, let's say I started on 25th, roadmap for 46 days, and from today you have 43 days left. Okay, and you know your exam date is on Monday, the 11th May. Great. And on this side you have the streak. So for how many days consistently you have been studying, and there's a leaderboard on the back end that I can see, and I can observe the most consistent students around the world. And there's a bit of a reward at the very end. So the most consistent students will receive some reward from my end, and basically an offer to enter something called Science Stadium Core, where I will personally be mentoring you for free for your university and for building your career. And there's more to it. I may discuss it a bit later, but it depends on you. We will send in the offer mail to a few students, and based on that, you can say yes, I want to take part in it, or no, I don't want to be a part of it. Usually, this is the first time we are launching it, and later on, how we'll be finding the most ambitious, sort of. We don't really need the most talented or most academically powerful student. What we need is really ambitious, really consistent, hardworking students, and those are the kind of students I want to be working with or mentoring. So we would be basically recruiting them from our cohorts, which is not running at the moment, and there's no application right now, but eventually that's how we will be finding the students. And yeah, all your education with Science Team will be free then, and even later on. Depends on you how long you want to be mentored by me. If at any point you don't want to be mentored by me, all good. But we will be offering the place. Anyways, that's the thing with the streak. There's a bit more to it, and I'll discuss that some other day. But yeah, you have the start date. You can also reset it to today. Let's say it has been reset to today. And there are two roadmap styles for physics. One is the individual playlist, which I recommend right now because you have 40 days and it's good enough number of days to study everything in depth. So every single everything has been taught with examples, with even slightly beyond syllabus, so that your fundamentals are really good. Okay. And you can answer anything that is out of the box, even on the day of paper. So this is ideal for someone who wants that A star, or who wants full marks, or it's a country or world highest. That's why there is an individual playlist, and it is so in depth. And people, if you have watched Science Stadium, our videos, you know how we operate and what the kind of content is. There's also live lectures. So this is what we had taught for free to around 30, 40 students around the world. It was spanned around 3 months. And there are 26 videos here. It's the same thing, but it's a lecture series. It's a live class series. So if you prefer that, you can learn through that as well. And your progress will be tracked. However, it is a bit more direct. It will be shorter in, how long it will take you, because it is compacted just to teach what you need, right? So it is a bit more compact in nature. If you want the more in-depth style, which I recommend, it will be the individual playlist. Depends on you. And now you have the pacing. Now the pacing has been formatted in a way, let's say you want a relaxed pace. So you have 40 days right now. In the first 75% of the days, you'll be completing everything. So you'll be learning the material for quite some time. So like it will take you 30 days to complete the material itself, and then 10 days to practice paper. I don't recommend that. I don't even recommend the default, which is in the first 65% of the days. I recommend fast. Okay. You should be covering the content really, 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 really fast, because you need time to practice the papers. Yes, in the roadmap, you will see a lot of advices of what to do at what point, and that is there so that you know how to answer questions as soon as you finish a topic. Okay. So pacing depends on you, and it will be saved on your account. So whenever you come back, you know where you are. Great. So let's start off over here, day one. So let's go with default. You have all the videos over here. Okay. So let's say you're starting with circular motion. All our videos are embedded on the website from YouTube. So let's say today is 28th, and you click on the first video, and all the videos will be tracked over here. So you can just hop on to another video if you feel like doing so. And you can play the videos over here. It's embedded right over here. And the moment you finish the video, it will be auto completed for you. Okay. So you can, uncheck or check, and it depends on you, right? You can track the progress. That's how you'll be tracking the progress on the website. Great. Phenomenal. And once you've tracked the progress bar will update on its own, and you have every single video over here. Once you're done, there is you'll be prompted to attempt the quiz itself, and this is the interesting part to an extent. We've included all the basic quizzes for free, right? So let me show you how it works. So if you start the quiz, these are all the definitions in our paper for Blackbook. So paper for Blackbook is a part of our A2 physics course pack, which includes all the definition that has ever come in your past paper in the last 5-6 years. And also we have included basic calculations which you need to get right, or repeated calculations which you need to get right, to make sure you get the at least bare minimum 60-70% on your paper, right? So define radian, you show answer, you get to see the mark scheme answer, and you also see what examiners tell about this, right? So you can either do need more review, which means you got it wrong, or got it and it's perfect, you got it right. And let's run through everything to give you the main idea how the report looks like. So need more review, reveal answer, got it, reveal answer, need more review. And finally, the problem. This is what the problem looks like. We also quote which paper it is from, what the mark is, and what the type of question is. Show full answer. You also see key steps to remember, full solution. You got it? Great. Finish quiz and you get a report, right? And once you're done with it, it updates over here. So let's say motion in circle, I have attempted 5 times because I'm testing. And in my last attempt, which is right now, I got 2 out of 4 definitions correct and 1 out of 1 calculations right. And overall, everything is marked over here. You can go to today, which is the quizzes you've done today, or the past 7 days, or the past 30 days. It will update accordingly. It will show you what you have attempted today, last 7 days, what last 30 days, and it gives you an idea of what your progress has been so far, and if you have improved. Great. And this is the quiz. I've also given you advices throughout the process. practice topical papers, practice hard questions from the course pack if you have access to it, and then move on to the next chapter, and so on and so forth. You will see some of the things are locked as you watch through the videos. It will be unlocked, and some videos are yet not shot. But by when I launch this video, the one you're watching, and also in about 4 or 5 days, every single video that is locked over here will get unlocked. Some videos are yet getting processed and edited, and once it's done, it will be showing overall over here. Every single thing. Okay, great. And the last thing is you will see our resources over here and also our paper 5 tip. And I will keep adding things if I feel like, okay, this is something you guys should know. I'll add it over here. Don't worry about it. And if you just want to practice quizzes, these are the definitions and everything. You can go through all of it over here. Okay. And these are the practice problems. So that's the Blackbook reference from our Blackbook. And yeah, and the last thing I need from you guys is this bug report. So, I developed this website in a few days. So I don't know what bugs there are, what issues there are, if the content is wrong anywhere. I've been checking thoroughly. The team is checking it, but I need help from you guys, really. If you think anything is wrong, since we are just launching it, please let me know. The moment you put anything and send the report, it comes to me. I get a mail and I can get onto it ASAP. And the thing is, everything is free over here, right? So, like, I just need this bit of help from you guys, right? And the last thing is the same works with chemistry, right? You go to the chemistry roadmap. I'll show it to you guys. Uh, it's the same thing over here. Okay, it's the same thing over here. All the videos, all the advice has been put in. But yeah, uh, the main thing that I do want to tell you guys is, look, I've been running Science Stream for 3 years now. I've been building the content library, and I've been trying my best to sort of produce the best kind of content. And in the entire process, I don't think I've ever asked anyone to subscribe or anything. It's been a very slow journey. We recently crossed 1,000 subscribers. I didn't even get to take the time out and say thank you, but I will. It's just I've been really busy. If a lot of you guys don't know, I'm a second year astrophysics student, and life is a lot of work. And so I would request one thing right now. I don't know. I feel bad even requesting and asking this, but really, if you can, share this with your friends, it would mean a lot. We possibly are going to lose a bit more money in the process of running this website, hosting it, and everything, checking through things, um, you know, everything in general. So I've been working on it, trying my best to give to you guys something that is truly useful. At the end of the day, for me, my entire goal has been to build one of the most impactful education platform. That is why all our video content has been free forever. Uh, but yeah, if you think it's useful, if you think it's helpful to you, please do share with your friends, because that is the only way we can sustain the platform. Like, sure, you can go ahead and purchase our course pack or Blackbook. That helps the platform, subsidizes everything, make sure we can continue doing it, but you don't need to. I have made sure all the free content is so good that you don't need to purchase anything anywhere. Like, that's my word to you. If you just practice papers and go through all the video, you don't need to purchase anything. But yeah, if you think it's useful, it's convenient for you to get it, go ahead and get it. It helps us, but you don't need to. The only thing I will request you guys is, if you think you have friends who can make use out of it, or if you're like university and still watching this video, share with your siblings or juniors. And yeah, that's all I would request from you guys. This entire thing means a lot to me. Science stream means a lot to me. And I love making videos. I love teaching. I love teaching students. I love helping people out. I started it mostly because when I was studying, I was, I got a lot of revision videos online. I could never understand things in depth, which is why I thought, what, I'll just make the content myself and I'll make it free. That's why I've been doing it, and I will keep doing it forever. But yeah, that's about it. I don't think I have anything else to tell you guys. If I do remember anything, I'll mention it in the comment section. But yeah, I'll just say thank you. We crossed 1,000 subscribers. It took 3 years, but I don't regret anything. I'm not sad about anything. I'm really, really happy. And I hope I can help several thousands of students, hopefully hundreds of thousands of students around the world in the process. And I guess you guys can help me do that in some way, hopefully. But yeah, if you guys have a question, let me know. If you guys feel like there's a bug, report it. But yes, see you guys on the other side. And best of luck for exams. I'll also come up with other videos to help you guys out. But yeah, see you.